When Zeros were introduced, they redefined what was possible for chainsaw protection in hot conditions. Developed with a blank sheet process, everything was rethought, from materials to design and fit, all based on creating the best possible experience in the heat. The Gen 2 Zeros brought a range of new features and improvements to the original design, with a focus on increased durability. The Gen 2s introduced a new outer using a tough ripstop nylon with 140% stretch for extreme flexibility and easy, unrestricted movement. The super breathable outer incorporates Nillet Breeze technical heat wicking fibers woven into the outer for heat reduction. Zeros continue to feature the innovative fixed cross-flow vents for maximum airflow to further improve heat management. The pants feature two large zipped hip pockets that can be pulled out for easy cleaning. The bottom two pockets can be accessed in the harness. Zeros also feature a phone pocket on the thigh. The Zero pants offer the classic Clogger cut and fit with an elasticized waist for better comfort and sizing flexibility. The stretch available gives real freedom of movement. Like all Clogger products, Zeros are constructed with double and lock stitch seams with reinforced stress points for a longer life. The back of the right leg has Dyneema fabric to reduce damage from the chainsaw hanging down, and tough abrasion resistant material covers the rest of the lower legs. Zeros now have a new custom designed boot hook, which is reversed to prevent catching on throw lines, but still stays attached to the bootlace when climbing. Gen 2 Zeros come in grey with a green flash and high-vis orange. Both options are available in men's and women's sizing, as well as front-only protection and front with 360 calf wrap protection. The grey-green model is now available in short, standard and tall leg lengths. The Zero range also incorporates a line of super lightweight, breathable, cool chainsaw chaps. They come in front only and front with 360 calf wrap options. Zero chaps feature a 5-strap attachment system for better safety performance and waist to ankle chainsaw fabric coverage. Over the last 5 years, the Zero line has established a new performance standard for chainsaw protection in the heat, and developed a reputation as the go-to option in hot conditions.